Hello and welcome to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I am Veronica and today we're gonna do a flamingo ornament. Even flamingo can be Christmassy, so stay tuned and watch the video. For this project I chose a small plastic medallion. I painted it twice with white paint, let it dry between each layer. I have used rice paper for this project. I also made a whale one, so in this video I'm gonna show you the flamingo one and the next video will be the whale ornament one. So I cut out the image with water pen. If you don't have water pen, just use a small brush and water. Then I applied a little bit of decoupage glue on the ornament itself. Then I put on the design, the rice paper on, and then I glued the whole rice paper with more decoupage glue. Make sure there is no excess of the glue because that will dry out white, not clear. And of course let it dry. Then I painted the rest of the ornament with some paints. As you can see, I go inside the rice paper itself for better blending. I am making a little bit of shades with green paint and pink paint on the design itself. Then with little bit of water and paint, I am applying small dots on the ornament around. Let it all dry. Then I am applying glitter decoupage glue on the ornament. Of course, you can skip this step if you don't have that kind of glue. Then it was time to seal my side of the ornament. I am using pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish as well. I am applying 4 layers of the glaze. On the other side of the ornament, I am using some clay and flexible mold from Stamperia and some molds. First, I am rolling out the clay on the flexible mold to get the design of the mold onto the clay, making sure it will fit my ornament. And then I am gluing the whole thing with express glue from Pentart. Cutting out any excess of the clay I might have. On the side of the ornament, I am using pearl mold and also gluing it with express glue from Pentart. The material I use will be listed in description box below, so after watching the video, go check out the description box as well. If I cannot find the exact material I use, I will be putting something similar to it. Then on a little bit of clay I am applying some stamp, making sure the saying will be visible, and then gluing the whole thing on the ornament. On the top of the ornament I am gluing some clay bows. After the clay is dry, it is time to paint it. So first I am painting the whole thing with gray paint and wiping off any excess of the paint. You don't want to make your own ornaments, just want to buy them. I do have an Etsy shop where you can see all my available designs. If you don't see something you like, just send me a message and I can do some custom ornaments as well. The link to my Etsy shop will be listed in the description box below as well. The saying part I am painting with black paint and also wiping off any excess of the paint just to make the saying visible. Then I painted the bow with, I would say, it's not red paint, it's more like Bordeaux paint. And then I wiped off any excess of the paint. Then I applied green paint and this Bordeaux paint with dabber onto the ornament. With kitchen sponge, which I cut up in small pieces, I am applying white paint all over the clay part of the ornament. Let the whole thing dry before I am sealing it with matte varnish. Of course, you can use a glossy one as well. For a little bit of shimmer, I am applying wax paste to the ornament, and this can get a little bit messy, so I am using glove for it. For a little bit of 3D effect, I am using some snow crystal pen and some 3D decor pen from Pentart, and I am applying it here and there for a little bit of 3D touch. The last step is fully optional, but I am adding ribbon on top of the ornament so it can be hanged if my customer wants to hang it. Of course, you can skip this step if you don't want to add ribbon to the ornament. And here it is all finished, a cute small Christmas flamingo ornament, but of course you can use this as an inspiration for a classic flamingo ornament as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please do give me a thumbs up or a nice comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming. Until next time, bye!